Good day, everyone. Learn how to reduce lag and increase FPS in gaming by changing these three settings in Windows 11. So the very first thing here is to do the right click in the start icon and then go to settings, and at the left hand side we will go to personalization, and the second option which says colors, we will click on that, and here turn off transparency effect. Windows and Surface appear translucent. If you turn it on, it will use a lot of graphics, a lot of resources of your computer. So you can turn it off. And the next setting is to change the power plan. So to do that, click on the search icon and type only power. And here you will find choose a power plan. So if you have a gaming computer, you will have an option called create and select high performance or ultimate performance. All right. You can also, for Samsung users who are using Samsung Book, they can select Samsung mode. Right. So in this manner, the consumption of resources will be higher. However, it will increase the FPS of your computer. If you want to keep it balanced, you can do that. Now the third one is to update the graphics driver and check the driver date. How old is the graphics driver? So do a right click in the start icon, go to device manager, and we will get to know about the date. How old is that? So we will go to display adapters, and here you will find your graphics driver. Do a right click, go to properties, go to driver section, and here you will see the driver date. So for that particular driver, you can search in the Google or go to the manufacturer site and try to update the driver. You can also do a right click and click on update driver. And the bonus tip is to see how much space you have in your C drive. So open File Explorer, go to this PC, see how much space you have. You should have always at least 20 to 50 GB space free if you're doing gaming, if you're doing video editing and everything. So you should have at least 20 to 50 GB space free. And if you're not, use the storage sense to clean up your PC, STO storage, and here you can storage settings. You will find storage sense, and you can turn it off, and you will get the cleanup recommendation. You will get a lot of things here. You just need to spend some time on it. So this is how you can increase FPS and reduce the lag of your PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.